Hey, welcome friends to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and this is the album that is called Mint Wishes, and it measures 8.5 by 10.5, and it does have the kraft-tex binding here, and it's 1 inch, so you got plenty of room. And there's the back of it. I do have the tutorial for this. So you just open it up with a ribbon, has a closure with ribbon. And I just left it here where you could put a photograph. And I just put some embellishments from the collection. Beautiful paper. I done this with the Kaiser Craft Mint Wishes collection. So here you have a double stacked pocket. And you have some photo mats. And in the tutorial, I teach you how to do this from start to finish. And then we have a pull out here, and make 2 of them. I just made 1, but make 2 of them. They'll fit in here just perfectly. I didn't put any paper here because I didn't want to bulk this up any more than necessary. Because time you get your photos on here, you're going to have plenty. And then that just flips open, and then you have a photo mat that pulls out, and then you got the back. So you can make 2 of these to fit in here. Perfect. Okay, then we have a pocket here and a pocket here. There is 3 pages to this album. So you have, let me tip it up so you guys can see. There's 3 pages. So you got 1, 2, 3. Okay. So then this opens up like that. What a nice spread. Beautiful. And I love how I done this here. So, you know, you could do one for fall and put, you know, time for giving or a time be thankful. You can do anything here. So then this flips. You got a nice pocket here. Let me get it in camera. And then this flips. Okay, and we're probably going to get out of camera here. So you have that. And then I just stuck a piece of the paper right there. And then this opens. And then you have another nice generous pocket. And then you have a pocket here. Some more pockets. And again, I just stuck a piece of the paper here. And then this flips open. And then you got another nice generous pocket here, ladies. And then this flips like that. Or it flips open. Just like that. Oops, I didn't put anything on that. And then here, you could journal about all the pictures in this album, or you could put a nice, you know, 5x7 photograph here. Just totally up to you. I thought it'd be nice to journal. You know what, if you've done this for Christmas, you know how it went that Christmas. You know, who came to the family dinner, maybe what you cooked for your family dinner. Okay, that is my Mint Wishes album. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. This is what we are making inside our kit club. And so if you want to purchase a tutorial, you can. It's a really simple album. The back of it does have a lightweight chipboard. This back piece right here has some lightweight chipboard to help hold that hinge system in there. Okay, that's my Mint Wishes album. Hope you guys have enjoyed this, and we will be talking later. Keep scrapping. Bye bye.